Welcome back to World Coins Explorer, the channel where every coin tells a story and history comes alive through metal. In today's video, we are exploring one of the most important modern coins in British history, the 2017 £1 coin, a coin that completely changed the way people think about everyday money in the United Kingdom. At first glance, it may look like a normal £1 coin, but in reality it represents innovation, security, national identity, and a major turning point in the fight against counterfeit currency. Millions of people use this coin daily without realizing its deep symbolism, advanced technology, and collector significance. In this video, we will uncover the full history, real specifications, hidden details, minting background, and collector value of the 2017 £1 coin. So stay with us till the end because this coin is far more important than most people ever imagined. The 2017 £1 coin was officially introduced by the Royal Mint of the United Kingdom as a replacement for the old round £1 coin that had been in circulation since 1983. By the early 2010s, studies revealed that nearly 1 out of every 30 round pound coins was counterfeit, making it one of the most forged coins in the world at that time. This alarming situation forced the Royal Mint to take decisive action and design a new coin with cutting-edge security features. The result was the 12-sided, bimetallic 2017 £1 coin, which was described as the most secure coin ever issued by the United Kingdom. Its introduction marked the biggest change to UK coinage in over 30 years. One of the most striking features of the 2017 £1 coin is its 12-sided shape, also known as a dodecagon. This unique shape was chosen not only to make the coin easily distinguishable by touch, but also to assist people with visual impairments. The shape also helped vending machines and coin handling systems quickly identify genuine coins. Combined with its precise dimensions and weight, the shape plays a crucial role in preventing counterfeiting. The decision to move away from a circular design was bold and historic, setting the 2017 £1 coin apart from all previous pound coins. The coin is made from a bimetallic composition, with a golden-colored outer ring and a silver-colored inner core. The outer ring is composed mainly of nickel brass, while the inner core is made of nickel-plated alloy. This combination not only enhances durability but also adds another layer of security. The contrasting metals create a visually striking appearance and make it significantly harder for counterfeiters to replicate the coin accurately. The bimetallic structure also links the coin visually to higher denomination coins like the £2, reinforcing its importance in daily transactions. The obverse side of the 2017 £1 coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by engraver Jody Clark. This portrait is especially notable because it was the fifth and final definitive portrait of the Queen used on British circulating coinage during her reign. The design shows the Queen wearing the George IV state diadem, and it is widely praised for its realism and detail. Around the portrait is the Latin inscription bearing the Queen's name and titles, a tradition that connects modern British coinage with centuries of royal history. The reverse design of the 2017 £1 coin is rich in symbolism and national identity. It features a crowned shield that combines floral emblems representing the 4 nations of the United Kingdom. The rose symbolizes England, the thistle represents Scotland, the leek stands for Wales, and the shamrock signifies Northern Ireland. This unified shield design reflects the strength and unity of the United Kingdom as a whole. The crown above the shield emphasizes constitutional monarchy and national continuity, making the design both patriotic and historically meaningful. One of the most advanced features of the 2017 £1 coin is the latent image security feature. When the coin is tilted, a small image changes from a pound symbol, pound, to the number 1. This type of optical technology had never before been used on a UK circulating coin. In addition to this, the coin includes microlettering, fine milled edges, and precise electromagnetic signatures that vending machines can detect. Together, these features make the coin extremely difficult to counterfeit and set a new global standard for coin security. The edge of the 2017 £1 coin also carries great importance. It features alternating milled and smooth sections, which not only improve tactile recognition but also add another level of protection against forgery. The edge lettering tradition was intentionally avoided to maintain consistency and machine readability. Every aspect of the coin, from edge to center, was engineered with security, accessibility, and durability in mind, making it a masterpiece of modern minting technology. When the 2017 £1 coin entered circulation, the old round pound coins were gradually withdrawn. The public was given a transition period to exchange old coins at banks and post offices. After the deadline, round pound coins ceased to be legal tender. This massive withdrawal operation involved billions of coins and was one of the largest currency changes in UK history. As a result, the 2017 £1 coin quickly became the standard, trusted replacement in everyday commerce. From a collector's perspective, the 2017 £1 coin holds special significance. While circulated examples are common, uncirculated and proof versions issued by the Royal Mint are highly sought after. Proof coins feature sharper details, mirror-like finishes, and superior craftsmanship. Some early strike examples and mint sets have gained additional interest among collectors. Over time, as circulation coins become worn, high-grade examples are expected to grow in desirability. The coin also has educational and historical value beyond its monetary worth. It represents how modern societies adapt to technological challenges like counterfeiting while preserving national identity and tradition. For future generations, the 2017 £1 coin will serve as a case study in how currency design evolves in response to economic and security needs. It stands as a symbol of innovation during the final years of Queen Elizabeth II's reign. Today, the 2017 £1 coin continues to circulate widely across the United Kingdom, quietly performing its role in everyday life. Yet behind its simple appearance lies a story of advanced engineering, national pride, and historical transition. Whether you are a casual coin holder, a serious numismatist, or a history enthusiast, this coin deserves attention and respect. If you have one in your pocket, you are holding a small but powerful piece of modern British history. If you enjoyed learning about the true story and real details of the 2017 £1 coin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to World Coins Explorer for more deep dives into world coins, hidden values, and unforgettable histories. Every coin has a story, and together we will continue exploring them one by one.